Hey there. So we are back with Charts and Graphs plugin. Now I'm going to show you how to create a mixed chart with so that mixed chart will contain line, bar, and area charts. So as you can see, if we go to the left side, this is the mixed line, bar, or area chart. You can see that here. So first it asks for title, then the type of chart. Sorry, you can give one or two or three of them as you wish. So right now we have already given line and bar. So the settings are given for three of the charts. First comes the bar chart options. So if you want a horizontal bar chart, you can give that. Then if you want a stacked bar chart, and that you can give it. Now comes the line or area settings. So as you know from the earlier videos that line and area are both same charts. There are just a slight difference. So both of them have the same settings. Now in line or area settings, it first comes the stroke. If you want a smooth line or a straight line or a stepwise line. Then comes the line width. So I've given two. Then the x-axis. So we have given x title as this. Then the minimum value of x and maximum value of x. Uh, if before that, if you have given x labels here, then you don't have to give the minimum or maximum value of x. So based on the x labels, the chart will be aligned. So we have given 5 labels. So data will be sorted by 5 values. So then comes the x-axis ticks. You can give that. Then comes the y-axis settings. So first is the y titles. So there are two titles given here. Normally there is only one y-axis, so we give only one title. So now there are two titles because this is a mixed chart. So if a line chart uses title 1, then a bar chart can use title 2. So there are two y-axis. So if we go to the demo, as you can see there are two titles. So the y-axis are parallel with each other on both sides. First is the title 1, then the title 2. So as you can see here, first is the bar chart is aligned, then there is this line chart. So it's if you can see carefully, it's a mixed chart now, and the x-axis has 5 values, 1 to 5. This is the legend series 1 and series 2. So series 2 is bar and series 1 is line. Now comes the series data. So these are the data through which the line and the bar chart will be aligned along the y-axis. First set of value will be used for the line chart. Second will be for bar chart. As you have written here, first is line, then the bar. Based on that, you can give the data as well and the title. So first title 1 will be for line, title 2 will be for bar. Then comes the series name. So we have two charts. So there is series 1 and series 2. And this is the minimum and maximum value of y-axis. And the ticks also you can give that. Then comes the color settings. So based on the chart that you have arranged there, you can give the color as well. First is for line, second is for bar. And this is the grid fill color. The grid is this lines in the background that you have given transparent, and this is the x-axis color and y-axis color. These are the lines, both all of them are black as you have given here. Then the grid color, grid is that these lines, that's the color gray. Then comes the advanced customization. You can give the data labels, so those data will be shown here, and these markers will be replaced by data. As you can see here, the data is shown. Then the toolbar, if you click on it, there will be a toolbar here to download the chart, or you can zoom it. Then the marker size. So if we remove data labels, the markers will be shown. Marker size is 5 by default. If you hover on them, it will be 10. So if we come here, markers are only for line and area chart. These are the default values 5. If you hover on them, it becomes 10. That's the marker. Then the chart height and width. Then comes the animation. You can give that, and this is the step size, dynamic step size. So you have given here the maximum value is 40. So if you want the chart, the y-axis to be in 5 series, you can give that step size here. If we give 10 here, so it will be aligned via 10 multiples. Because you can see 0 to 10 to 20 to 30 to 40. So that's how step size is given. And the opacity. And then comes the bar chart settings. So bar column width is 70%. That's how the chart is given. That's the 70%. Then the height is also that. And then the border radius. So right now it's rectangle. If you give border radius, it will have circular ends on both sides, on the top and bottom. Then comes the legend. Legend is this series 1, series 2 given. You can align them. So yeah, this is how you can create a mixed chart in Bubble. Thank you.